Well-being is about looking after every aspect of your life, your body, your soul, your mind.
No person is an island. Sometimes we all need to access support in order for us to move forward.
We have an open door policy. Students know they can call us or they can just knock at the door and we'll see them.
The centre is with the student from right at the beginning of their journey all the way through to the end.
We have managed over the years to build a really strong relationship with the students, a relationship of trust and understanding.
We feel a real responsibility towards our students, but it isn't a responsibility where we're going to kind of mollycoddle them like a parent. This is proactive. This is about our students being autonomous. This is about them developing themselves personally and professionally.
We try our best to help our students to overcome some of the barriers that they have and succeed in their lives.